Have you ever gone to start your Jaguar only to find a slow crank, or even worse, a dead battery? If your battery seems to drain more often than expected, there are several possible causes. Today, we're covering the most common reasons your Jaguar battery seems to drain and when to get it inspected. Number 1. Short trips don't fully recharge the battery. One of the most common reasons for a battery to drain are frequent short drives. Your Jaguar's battery uses a significant amount of power every time you start the engine. If you're only driving a few miles at a time, the alternator might not have enough time to fully recharge the battery. If most of your driving consists of short commutes, taking your Jaguar on a longer drive every so often can help maintain your battery's charge. Number 2. Your battery's reaching the end of its life. Like any component, batteries wear over time. Most vehicles' batteries last around 3 to 5 years depending on driving habits, weather, and maintenance. As the battery ages, it becomes less capable of holding a charge, making it more likely to leave you stranded. Number 3. Extreme weather. Illinois weather can be tough on automotive batteries. Cold temperatures reduce a battery's ability to produce power, while hot summer temperatures can shorten the overall lifespan by accelerating internal wear. Seasonal temperature swings can take a toll, especially on older batteries. 4. Electrical accessories continue using power. Modern Jaguars are equipped with advanced technology, including infotainment systems, security features, cameras, and numerous electronic control modules. Although these systems are designed to manage power efficiently, leaving interior lights on, charging devices plugged in, or a door or trunk not fully closed can contribute to unnecessary battery drain. 5. Charging system problems. Sometimes the battery isn't the problem at all. A weak alternator or another issue within the charging system may prevent the battery from recharging properly while you're driving. This can cause repeated dead battery symptoms even after installing a new battery. Number 6. Parasitic battery drain. Occasionally, an electrical component continues to draw power after the vehicle has been turned off. This is known as parasitic drain. Finding these sources often requires specialized diagnostic equipment and the expertise of trained technicians who understand Jaguar's electrical systems. Here are a few warning signs to watch for when it comes to your vehicle's battery. If you notice any of these warning signs, it's probably a good time to schedule a battery inspection. Slow engine cranking, dashboard battery warning light, dim headlights, electronics acting unusually, and needing frequent jump starts. At Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service, our factory-trained technicians use Jaguar-approved diagnostic equipment to evaluate your battery, charging system, and electrical components. If your battery needs replacement, we install genuine Jaguar batteries designed specifically for your vehicle. Our goal is to identify the root cause, not simply replace parts unnecessarily. If your Jaguar's battery has been giving you trouble, don't wait till it doesn't start. Schedule service today with Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service.